Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gene. Want to start an online business but don't know where to begin? You see all these success stories online, people making money while they sleep, but it seems so out of reach, right? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not as complicated as you think. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy business ideas you can start in 2025, no experience needed. These are practical, low-cost ideas that can help you start generating income online. Let's jump right in. This first business idea is riding the wave of the future AI-powered content creation. AI tools are becoming incredibly user-friendly, making it easier than ever for anyone to dive into the world of digital content creation. You can leverage these tools to create and sell digital content even if you've never written a book or shot a video in your life. The possibilities are endless. Think about it. People are always looking for valuable content, whether it's for learning, entertainment, or inspiration. Whether it's ebooks, engaging scripts for YouTube videos, or faceless videos, there's a huge demand out there. You can use AI tools to help you create this content quickly and efficiently, saving you time and effort. Platforms like Jasper and Copy.ai are great for this. They offer a range of features that can help you generate high-quality content in no time. And it's not just ebooks, you can create a variety of content types. You can use AI for generating YouTube scripts, blog posts, social media captions, and much more. The key here is to find a niche, a specific area where you can provide value. What are people passionate about? What topics get them excited and engaged? What kind of information are they searching for? Understanding this can help you tailor your content to meet their needs. Because you're using AI to streamline the process, you can focus on creating more content in less time. This efficiency means you can produce a higher volume of content, increasing your chances of success. And with more content, there's more potential for passive income, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of your hard work. All right, moving on to our next business idea, creating and selling digital products and online courses. This is a fantastic way to leverage your skills and knowledge to generate income. Let's start with digital products. These can include anything from ebooks, templates, and printables to software and digital art. What are you good at? What unique skills or knowledge do you possess that others might find valuable? Think about what you can offer that people would be willing to pay for. It could be anything from graphic design skills to specialized knowledge in a particular field. Platforms like Etsy and Creative Market are great for selling templates, printables, and graphic design elements. These platforms have a built-in audience looking for unique digital products. You can create these products once and sell them over and over again, generating passive income. This means you can earn money even while you sleep. Now, if you're passionate about teaching, then online courses might be the way to go. Online courses allow you to share your expertise with a global audience. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia make it incredibly easy to create, host, and sell your own online courses. They provide all the tools you need to get started. Think about the skills you have that you could teach others. It could be anything from cooking to coding, or even personal development. The key is to identify a need in the market and create a high-quality course that provides real value to your students. Conducting market research and gathering feedback can help you refine your course. The possibilities are truly endless. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your knowledge and skills into a profitable online business. Chapter 3: Freelancing and Consulting. For those who prefer a more active income stream and love the flexibility of working from anywhere, freelancing and consulting might be the perfect fit. This career path allows you to be your own boss, set your own schedule, and choose the projects that excite you the most. This is all about leveraging your skills and experience to offer services to clients all over the world. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or consultant, there's a demand for your expertise. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com make it easier than ever to connect with potential clients and start building your freelance business. These platforms provide a marketplace where you can showcase your portfolio, bid on projects, and get reviews from clients. You can set your own rates, choose projects that interest you, and work from wherever you are most productive. This level of control allows you to balance work with personal life, making it an ideal option for many. Let your friends, family, and former colleagues know about your freelance services. Word of mouth can be a powerful tool in gaining new clients and building a reputation. Building a strong online presence through LinkedIn and professional social media platforms can also help you attract potential clients. Regularly updating your profiles and sharing your work can showcase your skills and keep you top of mind. The key to success in freelancing is to deliver high-quality work, meet deadlines consistently, and provide excellent customer service. By doing so, you can build long-term relationships with clients and ensure a steady stream of work. Chapter 4: E-commerce and print on demand. Let's talk about e-commerce, specifically the world of print on demand. It's a low-risk way to tap into the world of physical products without having to deal with inventory, manufacturing, or shipping. You create unique designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags. Partner with a print-on-demand service like Printful or Printify, which handles printing, packaging, and shipping directly to the customer. The beauty of this model is that you only pay for the product when it's sold. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and even Amazon Marketplace make it easy to set up your online store and start selling your print-on-demand products. You can create a brand around your designs, connect with your target audience through social media, and build a thriving e-commerce business from the comfort of your home. Chapter 5: Affiliate Marketing. This business model is all about partnering with other businesses and earning commissions by promoting their products or services. You find a product or service you love and think your audience would be interested in. Sign up for their affiliate program, which gives you a unique affiliate link. Promote that link on your website, social media, or through email marketing. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to be authentic and genuine in your recommendations. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular affiliate programs out there, but don't limit yourself to Amazon. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's a low-cost way to start making money online. Outro: start your online business today. So there you have it, 5 easy online business ideas you can start in 2025, even if you have zero experience. Remember, the key is to take action. Choose one of these ideas that resonates with you and start exploring it further. Do your research, learn from others, and don't be afraid to experiment. Which of these ideas do you like best? Comment below. Also, check the links in the description for tools to get started. The online business world is booming, and there's never been a better time to dive in. Start building your dream business today.